fall pre-emergence. Let's see what we got. Of course you got the Roundup. That's a good one right there. That's one of the best. This right here, brush killer. For those that have yards. This right here, this Bear right here, this is made by Bear. The ones that make the aspirin. This is, it looked like they changed the name to Bio Advanced, I'm sorry. But this is made by Bear, right? B-A-Y-E-R. Like I said, they changed the name. But this right here works really good on brush, right? Let me show you one that works good on the grass and doesn't kill the grass but kill the weed. Do not mistakenly get this lawn, weed, and grass killer. Well, this is what you do need, I'm sorry. Because you want to get the weeds. But this right here, all you do is hook a water hose to it and spray your yard. And that's for people who don't have the money to pay someone to come out and treat the yard. Here's the same one I was telling you about, the brush killer. Here's one you hook the water hose to, you can spray with also. But yeah, not sure why they changed the name to Bio Advanced. It used to say Bear, but that's a good one. But it doesn't look like they're stocking up. I mean, look like it's just regular stuff in here. So yeah. Here's one you can spot treat right here. This one. Of course, you got your Roundup. But I've seen this to be more effective right here. Because you'll use a water hose and spray it across the yard. And man, those weeds will actually die without even affecting the grass. You should try it. Ortho Weed Clear. Got some sales going on, Spectricide, weed and grass killer. Let's see that. Well, yeah, that's it. Just trying to see what they had.